a company like, for example, ABC company has a problem with how to consolidate its data. So their problem is like this. They have different IT systems for different departments. For example, their HR system is in PeopleSoft, and their customer data is in a CRM tool called Salesforce.com, and their orders are placed through a order management system called Oracle Order Management. Sales department of the company wants to get an information about how a particular sales group is doing, how they are performing with respect to a customer, and for the orders placed in the last quarter. But to answer that question, they have to go after 3 different systems. They have to get the sales rep information from the HR system. They have to get the customer information from the CRM. They have to get the order related information from order management. So it's really difficult for them to query 3 different systems. They need 3 different kinds of clients. They need to write different kinds of queries with maybe different SQL queries, or the syntax would be different to query the different systems. So it's really difficult for them to get an answer for that simple question. So this is where Data Warehouse is going to help. Common practice is to bring all this data into one system called Data Warehouse, and load the data from these different systems into Data Warehouse first, and then query the Data Warehouse instead of querying 3 different systems. So how do we load the data into Data Warehouse? So we need different kinds of connectors or drivers to connect to these different databases for HR and CRM and order management. So that is where ETL tool is going to help us. So there are a category of tools available for this job, which are called ETL tools or data integration tools. So what they are going to do is they are providing connectors or drivers to connect to different databases or different systems. For example, Informatica is an leading ETL tool in the market, and it has connectors to all popular databases and CRM systems available in the market. Using Informatica, you can connect to PeopleSoft, you can connect to Salesforce.com, you can connect to Oracle, and through a process called extract, transform, and load. So extraction is nothing but extracting the data from the source systems. Transforming is applying some transformations to convert it into a different data model, or it could be like aggregation, it could be like cleansing or standardization and removing unwanted data and all that, and finally loading the data into Data Warehouse. So, and then the sales team can directly go and get the report from Data Warehouse, or there are tools available in the market for OLAP analysis and data mining and reporting tools like OBIEE. So this could be Cognos or business objects. So they are going to connect to the Data Warehouse and can make variety of reports from the data available in the Data Warehouse. So once we do this, the sales team could directly come here and extract these reports. They can get the access to these reports, or they can directly go to Data Warehouse and get the data by querying. If they are SQL experts, they can do the query and they can get the data on their own, or if they can define some standardized reports like what they want to see every day morning, or once in a week, or once in a month, that report could be automatically generated and delivered to their inbox through these OLAP tools. And they don't need to go and query the data from the Data Warehouse when they need it actually. So if they can define the requirements upfront, there are features available in OLAP and data mining tools and reporting tools to deliver those reports, pre-built reports in their inbox with the latest data. If they want any ad hoc queries, or still they want to do more analysis, they can directly query the Data Warehouse.